So the IIM Ahmedabad results for 2026 are out, and congratulations to the ones who've made it. It's a big feat. It's going to be a life-changing feat. You will remember this date. I can guarantee you. ये दिन आपको अगले 4-5 साल तक तो डेट के साथ याद रहेगा. Even the ones who are in the waitlist, congratulations to you, because in this video I'm going to take you through probably what are your chances basis your waitlist number. Objective वही है. Apart from that, I'll be talking to you about the latest placement numbers so that the ones who are getting in or the ones who are planning to get in, they know what they're getting into. It's a very exciting place for you to be. So now, without further ado, let me go inside what this is exactly. If you don't know me yet, by the way, I am Darpan Saxena, an MBA graduate from IIM Udaipur. I have been the MBA product head at Kai Launcher. I'm the founder of Createm, and I help MBA students create fulfilling careers without depending on placements. Now, moving back to this. Now, the first things first, I would want to talk to you about the batch profile. There were 405 students graduating in 2025. I'm giving you the placement data of the report which is audited. उसके बाद भी एक placement report आई है, but numbers are similar, थोड़े increase ही हुए. That's that. 11 students opted out. यहाँ पे batch का composition है 394 students of PGP. This is not yet the placement report of the FABM. FABM की भी अलग से मैंने slide बनाई है. So if you're somebody who's got through FABM, congratulations to you also. It's a great place to be at. तो already एक आंसर कर देता हूँ. FABM ज्वाइन करना चाहिए नहीं, प्लीज करना चाहिए, बहुत जरूरी है. आगे बात करते हैं. देखो, 11 students had opted out to pursue entrepreneurship. I'll also be talking about IIM Mavericks deferred placement for entrepreneurship का जो उनका एक है. 59% of the students were eligible for laterals, which means that the amount of work experience which they had made them eligible for lateral job hires which used to come on the campus. That's that. Broad snapshot ये है. आगे आते हैं इसके इंटरेस्टिंग चीज FABM के लिए, फूड एंड एग्री बिजनेस मैनेजमेंट का. देखो, बैच साइज 45 था. ये साथ ही बैठते हैं, तो ऐसा नहीं है कि इनका बैच अलग चल रहा है. इनफैक्ट you as an FABM student are a part of the study group with PGP students. So अगर एक study group में 5 लोग हैं, 6 ग्रुप हैं, तो एक आध लोग, 2 लोग उसमें से FABM के होते हैं. It's a very homogenized sort of a thing. वो उसमें ऐसा नहीं है कि आप अलग से बैठे. 45 students थे, 44 students were eligible for the placements. 1 student opted out to pursue entrepreneurship under what I have said, IIM Mavericks fellowship, and then the batch received 3 lateral offers. Apart from that, a very quick snippet of ये program है क्या. Now it has a significantly smaller batch size, 45 students. The curriculum is focused on food and agri, especially in the second year where it becomes more intense. That is why the kind of organizations which also come for this, which specially come for this, like Amul and all, they Amul hai and FMCG, बहुत companies hai, good names which come for this. Now, as I've said also, strong alignment with food processing, FMCG, agri input, agri tech spaces. But क्या इसमें इसके अलावा और कोई placements नहीं होती है? ऐसा नहीं है. Consulting in fact is the highest job offer even in FABM. So we'll get to that bit. I have that slide, and then I'll get to the waitlist movement. Might be very important for you to see all of these things so that you can make an informed choice. Then let's move to IIM Mavericks fellowship. Now, what is this? I'll quickly tell you about this. This could make you make a choice about this. Now, it's a 2-year deferred placement, 2-year placement holiday. If you have, usually it is taken by somebody who has a validated startup idea or one who has confidence in themselves that right out of IIM Ahmedabad, right out of their MBA, they want to pursue entrepreneurship. बहुत कम बच्चे करते हैं ऐसा. Usually because of the kind of B school you are in, you might want to explore the high paying salaries of a BCG, McKinsey, whatnot, and usually you come back to entrepreneurship some 5-10 years later when you've made crores of rupees in your bank account. But ये एक बहुत अच्छा इनिशिएटिव है अगर तुम really hellbent हो स्टार्टअप करना है. And इसका फायदा बहुत सिंपल है. It preserves career optionality. You at all times have all the options, and your B school supports you in doing that. इसके statistics कितने लोगों ने ऑप्ट करा? 25 के बैच में, 2025 का बैच जिसकी प्लेसमेंट रिपोर्ट ऑडिटेड है, अवेलेबल है, उसमें 2 स्टूडेंट ने PGP में लिया है, FABM ने सिर्फ 1 में लिया है. So usually this number is very low. Not that important for you because ये year on year कोई बहुत लोग ले नहीं रहे हैं, which is okay. It's not about the program. It's about the students wanting to pursue more safer job. I think this is a beautiful thing by IIM Ahmedabad. Now, some placement statistics of 2025 batch, extremely important. The mean salary, the maximum earning potential, which is both fixed and variable, is 35.5 lakhs. इसमें से fixed component का जो mean है वो 27 lakhs. If you can see that on your screen, 26.99 on the first box. Median salary, which is always a better metric to look at, 34.6 lakhs. Very strong numbers. I mean, undeniably strong numbers, which anybody would want to go for. Maximum हाईएस्ट डोमेस्टिक सैलरी 1.1, लेटेस्ट ईयर में ये भी इंक्रीज हो गई है, जो लेटेस्ट अभी तक वेबसाइट पे नहीं आई है बट वी नो इट, वो ये भी इंक्रीज हो गई है. सो दैट गिव्स यू अ वेरी गुड पिक्चर दैट दीज बी स्कूल्स, अहमदाबाद, बैंगलोर, कलकत्ता, लखनऊ, एक्सेलर विल ऑलवेज स्टैंड द टेस्ट ऑफ टाइम्स. सो हर साल पीपल विल राइट ऑब्ituaries कि अरे एमबीए अच्छा है, नहीं है, whatever है, but these B schools, they always deliver, and if you've got a call, I am so happy for you. Congratulations to you again, and also to your family. Please convey congratulations to your family as well. Participating firms 178. Let me give you a quick snapshot of the kind of firms. PGP की बात कर रहा हूं अभी, FABM की नहीं है. Maximum number of offers consulting followed by BFSI. Consulting में you can see BCG top recruiter, almost like a bulk recruiter at these campuses, followed by Accenture Strategy recruits like crazy. I mean, McKinsey, Bain से तो बहुत ज़्यादा Accenture Strategy, even across campuses like IIM Udaipur, comes and recruits. So Accenture Strategy is doing really well in terms of hiring. Some of the organizations which you might not know. So FinIQ is basically an investment company. It's a finance company. So that's that. Avendus Capital is an investment banking company. Adani Group just below that hires for general management. Then you can see all of those. TAS, that is also basically a general management organization. And most of these companies, these are mostly consulting companies followed by banking and financial services companies. That is what the snapshot is. Now if we come to some snapshot, दो तीन चीजें हैं जिसपे मैं तुम्हारा ध्यान आकर्षित करना चाहूंगा, because these give out the intent of where IIM Ahmedabad is heading out. और ये मैंने अपने पिछले वीडियोस में भी, लास्ट ईयर वीडियोस में भी मैंने कहा है, IIM Ahmedabad is actively working towards getting more finance placements, giving very tough competition to IIM Calcutta. Not very मतलब tough ऐसा भी नहीं है, IIM Calcutta still deserves its place as a very good B school for finance predominantly, but I know for a fact that the Placecom at IIM Ahmedabad does a very concerted effort to get in more finance roles, to get them at the best of the spots, to get the best of the students to the best of the finance companies. And I think that is also what is driving up the placements. That is also what is driving up the reputation even further. इस स्लाइड में मैं बहुत ज्यादा आपका समय वेस्ट नहीं करना चाहूंगा. दो तीन चीजें ये हैं कि the number of strategy roles, general management roles, finance roles are increasing. So if you're somebody who's considering finance, suddenly IIM Ahmedabad is not a bad option at all, even if you've got IIM Calcutta, but we'll talk about that separately. FABM placement highlights, as I said to you, consulting is still the highest recruiter, now closely followed by FMCG, food processing. The maximum earning potential is 41.83. This is the mean salary is at around 22, and 20 is the median. Placement rate is 100%. Batch size is यार 44 है, उसमें भी प्लेस नहीं हो गए IIM Ahmedabad में, तो क्या कर रहे हो. अब मैं आता हूं, my dear friends, waitlist movement analysis पे, after which I will tell you what you need to do after this. So I'll tell you for both PGP and FABM. For PGP, this is the placement, this is the waitlist movement. Now this is 2 years. 2023 to 2025 was the first batch right out of COVID, when COVID was done with, and the waitlist movement was one. Now one would speculate, and not speculate, one can make a fair kind of an assessment, and this was observed at the best of the campuses. Now in that year, the waitlist movement was not so much because people really wanted to get into a good B school now this year. At the same time, at some of the lower tier B schools, the waitlist movement was way more, because then people were much more warier कोई word होता है नहीं, मुझे पता नहीं, but they were much more scared of getting to a B school because of the economy. So you could see 2023 to 2025 as an aberration. A much better number to look at is 24 to 26, even 25 to 27 का stat है मेरे पास, but I don't have it as a, मेरे पास कहीं लिखा हुआ नहीं है, but I broadly know. I was not even 27. So the thing is, my dear friends, what you need to know about is, if you're anywhere between 20 to 30, you have a chance. 20 है तो ज्यादा चांस है, 27 से ऊपर है, 25 से ऊपर है, कम चांस हो जाता है. All you can do is sit there with your fingers crossed. ना मैं करूंगा कोई स्पेकुलेशन, ना आपको करना चाहिए कोई स्पेकुलेशन, कोई फायदा नहीं है. मैं यहाँ पे अपनी वीडियो को सेंसेशनलाइज करने के लिए कोई स्पेकुलेशन दे दूं, मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता. I can give you a number, and I was watching somebody's this thing video. They were also giving a prediction, and people don't really care, because they know nobody is going to come back to their video to say अरे तूने तो ये बोला था, कोई नहीं करता है. तो it's very easy to give that kind of a speculation, but makes no sense. Across categories you can see the waitlist movement. इसको इत्मीनान से देख सकते हो, स्क्रीनशॉट ले सकते हो. FABM की बात कर लेते हैं यहाँ पे. FABM the waitlist movement was like this. EWS waitlist movement नहीं है, वो तो खैर PGP में भी बहुत कम है, क्योंकि अगर एक बार ऑफर मिल जाता है, छोड़ते बहुत कम लोग हैं. ब्रॉडली सेंस ये है, इससे मैं आपका सेंस, you have to get a sense check. Again, I know it. Please take a screenshot if you have to, but again, I know it. It is a very anxious time for you. Even these numbers might have helped you to a certain extent. अगर आप within range हैं, बहुत sure within range है, तो congratulations to you. Even if not, I share your anxiety. I share your family's anxiety. You know, families watch my YouTube channel as well, so I know that. What you need to do to calm down your anxiety is that if you're anywhere in the shooting range of this, then let me tell you, you might have a strong chance at some of the other sister campuses, not sister campuses, but some of the better, like similar campuses, I should say. Please start preparing for pre-MBA. Your favorite pre-MBA program, How to Be School, is live on the Creatum website. You must get to it. Why am I saying this? My dear friends, IIM Ahmedabad is a very academically rigorous program. You need to get a snapshot insight of what happens in the academics at these B schools. How to Be School, I have covered that in detail. 50 वीडियो में मैंने तुम्हें B school का वॉक थ्रू दिया हुआ है. एक कोर्स तो पूरा वही है. Secondly, you need to start preparing for the first year concepts which will be taught to you at the B schools. You can't stay behind. Case competitions और उस सब पे तो बाद में आओगे ना, जब क्लास में अपने आप को संभाल पाओगे. तो अगर ऐसे कोई सब्जेक्ट्स हैं which you think you don't know, statistics, economics, microeconomics, macroeconomics, some finance basics, maybe marketing basics. Again, some of these in very rudimentary basic terms are covered in How to Be School. I am doing this so that I can help you instead of me advising you to go for somebody else's program जिसपे मुझे सिर्फ एक affiliate commission मिलेगा, जिसका मुझे quality का कुछ नहीं पता. I have created something for you which will help you. So if you find value in that, that's your pre-MBA program for you to take. Go and take it. IIM Ahmedabad is a very good call for you to have. I am extremely happy for you. Please let me know how can I help you. If if you have any doubt, connect with me. There's a free Telegram group which I run called MBA Career Freedom. Find the link to that. Connect with me on a one-to-one call, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks a lot. Goodbye.